So this is a beautiful tall bearded iris called Shanapin. I think it's an American bred iris, possibly from the 1920s or so. But you can see it's already had lots of flowers on here. There was a stem here with a number of flowers on, and here and here. And gradually we just deadhead those as the days and weeks go on. This is the last flower left, just finishing. It won't last the day with the heat, so I'll just deadhead that as well. So it doesn't really matter where we snap this head off. Normally we would want to take this developing seed part off as well, but because the whole stem doesn't last very long, it doesn't matter whether I snap it above or below there. It's just a gentle push and away it comes. And once that's gone, you can see now the whole stem's finished flowering. So the next thing is to deal with the stem. And there's a great little tip which we do here at Sissinghurst. You can see firstly we've staked it, and that's always important with these tall bearded irises above 70 centimetres. It's really easy not to stake, but then if you get the wrong wind, or you get wind at the wrong time rather, then it can easily just knock over the whole stem. So we just use one of these small sticks. But then when the stem's finished, rather than cutting it, which would be quite tempting, maybe there or somewhere, we just actually snap it off. And what we do is we look at the rhizome and we see which direction is the rhizome going, and then we push in that same direction, and it just makes, or should make, a nice satisfying snap. So it doesn't always work, but what we're going to try and do is just push it in the direction of this rhizome, and it just comes away nice and cleanly and easily.